Okay, will you let me know when is the best time I can go pray for him? Today or tomorrow or in between? This right here. All right, guys, you guys that are on the social media, um, let's see. All right, so okay, so remember what I do here on the social media site. We have two Zoom classes that we do that we have going on. So I I usually come in here on Facebook and Instagram and Facebook and put the trade of the day. Wherever I see there's a trade, I go in and place a trade. Look, when I make these trades, I'm not really looking for a home run. We had a, let's see, 83 to, we had a 10-point run, but I only took like 4 points out of it. So I'm really not looking to make a home run. I'm only looking to take a point out of the market. So whatever the market does, I'm only looking to take a point out of the market or maybe 2 points out of the market. So I'll scalp the trade, right? So I'm always looking for these candles. I see we have a bounce it here real quick here shortly. Let me see what we got here. So I see a little bounce here. And like I said, I'm only looking to take, let me see. If you hear some noise, we're doing some construction here. So this is the area where I see the most traffic at, right there. So it's 72 or 73 is where I see the traffic. So it's going to be 72, 75. So this is a bounce for me. Like I said, I'm only looking to take a point or two. I'm not looking to go too crazy. I'm only looking if I can take $100, $200 out of the market, I'm cool with that. So let's see what we got here. Sometimes we know what the market look. I got an engulfing bar, I got an inverted, I got a hammer. So this should push up, but this candle here is telling me it wants to push down. So I got a little mixed signal here. So I need to close this candle up here. This candle needs to go to the last resistance, so the price needs to go up. So watch what needs to happen here. So price needs to go up in here, right? Somewhere in here. If it's going to go up, it needs to go up in there. Let's see. I'm trying to get this before the open, right? So price comes up in here. Let me see. And then price goes back up to the level of resistance, which is right there, 76. So let's see what happens. If you hear a lot of construction, pay no attention to the construction, man. All right, so let's see what we got here. Well, I see a bounce here. I see these candles wanting to push down a little bit. So let's see what happens. Let's just play this out. If I need to, I'll get out of this trade. One being that it's going to be 9 o'clock, right? So let's see. Look at these candles right here. Look at this candle right there. Look at this candle, pushing up. So let's see what it does here. All right, so let's see what it's trying to do here. I understand these sorts wide. It has to take has to come out this far. Okay, so this is what has to happen right there. So price has to go. Price needs to go up in here. See, price goes up in there. Here we go. So let's see, we got 250. We got 250 on that one, and that's probably what we're gonna end up with for 250. Let's see. We're looking to go to 77. 77 is our target. 78 is our target, looks like. Let's see what we got here. So we're gonna hold on to this puppy for a little bit. We'll hold on to this puppy. Let's see what we can get out of it. See if price will go back up. So we need price in this area here. So we need price to break that right there. All right, so we're up here. So we're going to take this profit here real quick. There you go. So if you hear some construction going on, we are doing some construction. So just hang tight with me, guys. There's going to be some construction, some noise here today. I like to make these fonts a little bit bigger here. Nothing there. There we go. 18. So, all right. So let me jump in here to my Zoom classes. My Zoom classes. Let's see where we are. There we go. So like I said, guys, the key here is just to make a couple of points. We're not looking to take a home run. Man, if we can take 2 points at a time, maybe do 2 trades.
Recording in progress.
I try not to do too many trades at one time. Good morning, everyone. Can you guys hear me? Good morning. Yeah. Oh, good. Okay, I just wanted to make sure you guys are able to hear me there. Okay, so I'm going to turn this around, the camera. Turn it, yes. All right, anybody take that little trade to the upside?
I got 1 point on it.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, so look, we got support here at 71. We have support in, it's saying it's going to go to 69 though. It's going to try to drop to 69, so this is a good place. It's going to bounce, but it's going to go to 69, so your target to the downside, it's showing 69 right in here. Here it comes. Here it goes. Coming down to 69. Here we go. There it is. So you're going to 69. We're going to find out we got a push. Yep, we got a little push here at 69. It's still, let's see, what's the next level after 69? We got 65. Why 65? Let's find out why 65. Okay, so this is going to continue. Wow, it's going to continue going down. 69. Let's see, going through 69. Ooh. Okay, so even there's a retracement there. All right, for me to take this short, I gotta see an inverted or an engulfing bar to the downside. I can't take it to the upside because this will push up and then it'll sell off again. So it'll push up and there it goes. It'll sell off again. So let's see what happens here. I don't. No. Okay, so for you guys on Facebook or TikTok, that question? Oh, on TikTok. Okay. All right. No, what we're looking for is to establish what direction the market is going. It's going to open at 9. So it's trying to push here. It's trying to push to the upside. Watch what it's doing here. So if it can get through here. Oh, there we go. We got a little trade here. Okay, so let me see what happens. This is a risky one. This is a risky trade here. Very, very, very risky. So engulfing, hammer engulfing. So let's see what plays out here. Okay, so you got an engulfing, hammer engulfing. So we're gonna find out here. We'll find out here real quick. We're gonna find out if it's gonna take off here. So you got a hammer. Check this out. You got a hammer. So real quick, we're gonna make a projection here. This was a risky one. This is a 50-50. This is a 50. I call these 50-50 trades because there we go. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. 375. Push, baby. Push, 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 push. Get up there, get up there. Engulfing, pushing, pushing, pushing. Here we go. I'm going to take this here, bro. I'm going to take this here. Yes, I'm going to get out here. Yes, I'm going to get out here. I'm waiting for another push. I'm waiting for a candle against me. Boop, 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 boop. I'm out of here. So that was the trade right there. It's still going to push up, still going to push up, still pushing up. So look at your resistance right here, right? So, I got out way too soon. Look, I got out at 74, 70. I got out at 70, 74.50, 75. Man, I left 2.5 points on the table there. But, okay. Okay. Well, I'm more of a candle reader. I look at projections. The reason why I went long here, the reason why I'm looking at this because I saw an engulf. Look, go. You see it? Can you see my mouse mover? Yeah. Okay, so what got me long here was engulfing bar, hammer, engulfing bar. Even though I made a retracement, I went long here at 20, 70, 71.50, 71, 72.50, 73.50, 74.50, right at 74.50. So I got 3 points out of it. I could have went more. I could have gone 74.50, 75.50, 76. I could have got another 2.5 points, but I get the same question with you guys. I don't use the bot. Look at the bottom. You see that? Can you see the bottom there? Right here at the bottom. All this right here. Do you see it? Do you see a bot there? You don't see a bot there, right? Yes. So like I said, I don't use a bot. Here we go. It's going up. It's going up. Wow. So this is going up. This could be another buy here. Whew. Let's see what it does. I don't see a pace of resistance. So, oh man, this could go up. I just don't want to lose my profit there. Don't want to lose a profit. So we got a new high, right? Let me see. Let me get out of this here real quick. I didn't want to go long because I don't want to lose my profit. I want to make sure that for sure it's going to go up. This is going to try to go up and then it's going to retrace, come down a little bit. Maybe, oh man, if it comes down to 70, if it comes down to 73, yes. But if it goes back up to test the high here again, if it retraces, it's going to go long. I'm just trying to be careful right here. If I see something, tell me, there you go. See what I mean? That's what I'm talking about. And then you got the open already. So this is going to push down here. How far will it push? Right here, look. Let's see what we get here. 187. I'm going to take a little bit to the downside. 187. Push, baby. Push. 187. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Get in there. Ooh, I'm going to take a chance on this one here. Come on, baby. Get down there. Come on, push. Come on, push. One time down. I'm going based on this engulfing bar. It could go against me. I'm going to get out here real quick. If it doesn't go in the direction that I see it's going to go, I wanted to go down. Here you go. Here you go. One push, one push. Man, should have took that. I should have took that. I should have took that. Off. Yep. Okay, so, man, I can't get out of this. I can't get out of this. I can't get out of it. I can't get out of it. Why? Why can't I get out of it? Engulfing bar. Got a hammer. Got an engulfing bar. I got an engulfing bar. Push down, baby. Push down. Come on, get down. Push down. This is going up. Oh, man, engulfing bar. I got an engulfing bar. I got a hammer. I got an engulfing bar. All right, and then the more. Okay, so I'm going to have to get out of this trade here. Why can't I get out of this? Why? What's going on here? I see something to the downside. Yes, I do. I see it to the down. A vicious drop here. A vicious drop. A vicious drop. I'm talking about all the way down. Vicious drop. A vicious drop. Vicious drop. I'm going to take that, the 312. So I'm going to take 312. I'm not going to mess with it. It's already going to be 9 o'clock. 312. We'll take 312 out of that. So let's see. Now we're going to get chopped, right? We're going to get chopped here. Yep. Okay, so here's the open. So let's wait to see what's going to happen at the open here. So we got a new high. All right, let me see if I can make some notes here before this thing takes off on us. Let me see. Man, this thing's going to take off on me. So it's going to take off to the upside here. No, not yet. I don't see it. I'm looking for at least an inverted or break even or pop here. Let me see. See what I mean? It's really going to be 9. Look, you got an inverted. Look, you got an inverted again. Inverted. Why is it pushing up if it's inverted? You know what I mean? Here we go. Let's see if we're going to break that resistance. Ooh, this is a big chance for me here. There he goes. Come on. Up. Oh, wow. Check this out. Wow. Got to get out of that one. Golly, it's so fast. So you got resistance at 72. It looks like it wants to go short. Yep. All right. Wow. Okay, so it's going to be a push. Let's see, right there. This is going to be a push right there. This is a push. Let's see, where is that push at? Push. All right, here's a push right there. Come on, get down there. I may have to get out of this trade and just wait for it to settle down. Come on, get down there. There you go. All right, the candles are opposite. The candles are off completely. Wow. The candles are off. Guys. The candles are off here. So let's see what happens here. I may have to reverse here. I'm going to stay with it. For now. Just see where it's going. Come on, baby. Get down there. Come on. There you go. So here we go. I'm going to take a little profit here. Let me see what I can take from here. Man, why are you trying to jump up here? Push down. Come on. There he goes. I'm going to take that right there. $1,000 right there. All right, still pushing down to 63.50, 63. I'm going to go 63. I'm going to go 64 is your target. 64 is your target to the downside. 64 is to the downside. 64 is your target. 64 is the target. 64 is your target. That's what it's calling for. Target. This is your target here. 64 is your target right there. 64 is your target right there. Bam, that's it right there. So there's going to be a little bounce, but not much. Look, you got an engulfing bar. Man, to take a little point on this would be nice to take a little point, but I'm afraid of it. I'm afraid of this sucker. All right, let's see what it does. This is another bounce. Let's see if we can get something going on here. Come on, baby. Push down. Come on. Push down. Come on, push down. Come on, push down. Little push to the downside. Oh, man. What are you doing? You should be going down. Come on, baby. Get down there. Come on. Let's go. Get down there. All right. We're waiting for a push. We know we got some resistance there. That's for sure. But overall, it's to the down. So overall, it's to the down. Here we go. Come on. Sell. We need it to sell. Man, I don't trust you to the upside. I don't trust you. So you got your own resistance there. Come on. You got your own resistance there. Come on. Get down there. Come on. Get down there. Engulfing. I got an inverted with an engulfing. Why are you not pushing down? This should be pushing down, guys. Should be pushing down. You got an inverted candle with an engulfing bar. So let's see what happens here. They're fighting here. Get down there. I see you going to 59. Well, 62 first, right? 62. So I'm just looking to make a little bit here. 62. So it got to go to 63. Retrace 63 to 60. Ooh. Here we go. Yep, I see it. Come on. Come on, get down there. Come on, slam it, baby. Slam it. What's going on here? I may have to get out of this trade here. Let me see what's going on here, man. They should have sold off here. They should have just slammed down. Yeah, I may have to reverse myself. Why? Why am I going to reverse myself? Man, I got candles pushing up, but it just doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right to the upside. Doesn't feel right. I may have to get out of it just to recuperate, just to see where I'm at. This should have slammed down. There's no reason why this wouldn't have ran to the downside. Excuse me, guys. There it is, right there. I'm going to take a little profit here. I'm going to take some profit right here. Right there. Bam. Oh, my God. Okay, so we took a little profit there. All right, so we have resistance. And this is still to the downside. Here's a little push. All right, I'm not going to mess with this because this is wanting to go to the upside here. Let's see. We got out just in time for that thing right there. All right, so if it breaks here, I'm going to go long here. Here we go. I'm going long right here. I got an engulfing bar. I got hammer, engulfing. So this is pushing up. I'm going to take this profit right here. Right there. 250. I'm going to take. This is still going up. So you got an engulfing bar, you got a inverted, but you got a hammer, engulfing, hammer. So I took that little profit right there. What's up, Gabe? Doing okay?
Can we open this thing right here?
Which one?
This,
You need
plastic glass?
you need to open it?
Yeah.
Why?
We're gonna put a door right here.
So you can't go to the other side?
Well, no, but we're gonna move this wall too.
Are we moving that wall?
Yeah, just half of it.
Half of it? Okay, go ahead, open it up. I'm going to close up the class here in a little bit anyway. All right, guys. You guys that are live, wow. 62 of you guys on, 62 of you guys on YouTube. Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to close this class to get everyone that's on Zoom. You guys stay there. Y'all stay. The ones that are on Zoom, stay where you're at. I'm just going to close this class. I'm going to answer some of your questions first. I'll answer some of your questions before we sign off on YouTube. All right, let me see your questions in. I think I showed you. Didn't I? Look at the bottom of my. Are you able to see that? I know it says so. I know there's a logo at the bottom, but if you see at the bottom, here at the bottom, you'll see I use no software. I use no bots at all. None whatsoever. It's just straight up software. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh man, if I can just get a little bit to the downside. Here we go. 320. Come on, baby. Oh no, come on. That's the thing, man. When you're giving class and you're teaching, I had this opportunity right here. As soon as it retraced that right there, I should have went short. Instead, I got stuck in this thing here. I got in a little late. I think I got in at 61. So I see it to the downside. So I'm not too worried about it. I see it to the downside. Here we go. 187. I see it going down to 55. So let's see what I can get here. Come on, sell, baby. Get down there. Get down there. So here we go. Oh, here we go. Got it. Look, I got a hammer. Inverted hammer. Ooh, that's not good. So like I said, I go by these candles. I go by the candles. That's all I do. I'm gonna get out of this trade here. Looks like it wants to run there. Yep, right. This is a reversal for me, so I'm going to reverse here. Okay, so I'm reversing here. I hate chasing the market, but I'm going to reverse here. Right there. All right. All right, let me answer your questions. Okay, let's see. Instagram. Basically, it's supporting resistance that I'm looking for. I'm not looking for nothing but supporting resistance. So let's just say I'm going to take this line. Just an example. So if I'm looking at this as support, I'm looking at this as resistance, but I'll bring it to the previous. So I know what direction so if I the reason why I do that is so that way I can make a projection. So projection, prediction, either one. So how can I make a prediction? I'm going to show you right now. So I'm saying that the price is going to go to 66. Look where it's going. 66.50 in that area there. So let me see where we at right now. So I'm saying it's going to come into here. 66 is going to push up to 66. So let me see if I got a target. So that's my prediction. Sorry. That's my prediction where I see price going up to that area. Even if it retraces, that's the area that I see that would be the cleanest. I got a lower, higher low. So I'm expecting price to ram up right there. And then I got an engulfing bar, I got a hammer. So price is going to go to 66 right here, look. Come on, 66. Come on, get up there. Here we go, 66. I need an engulfing bar though. I need a huge green candle here. There it is right there. Ooh, come on, get up there, resistance at 65. So that means if I break this, I'm home free to, I can run up all the way to 68. I can run up to 68. I can run up to 73. I can run up way up in those numbers there. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Get up there, ladies. Get up there. Here we go. Here we go. So that's my prediction right there. That's it right there. One more push. One more push. Right there. Come on. I'm going to take profits here. This is too good for me. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. 66.50 is calling for 66.50. I'm going to take this profit here. I'm going to take this right. Woo, there it is. Hit your number right there. 13, 14 right there. So that's it right there. Okay, Instagram. All right, my prediction is, well, I can't, let me see. Man, I can run it up to 68.75, 68.75. Then you got resistance at 68.75. So that was your target there. How did I come up with that prediction? Man, that's an old system from a trader. I don't know if you guys ever heard of a trader by the name of Jesse Livermore. Jesse Livermore? Yeah, Jesse Livermore. There it is. Look, there's your number at 68.75. So from 68.75, you're going to, but you're going to have to retrace this. There it is, right there. Man, I want to get in this so bad, but I got to retrace it. There's no way. I got to retrace it. Meaning that the price would have to close solid there. Look, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take this only because it broke resistance. I may get in trouble here, but only because it broke resistance. This was resistance, right? Because it broke resistance. I got a hammer and an engulfing bar. That's the only reason why I went long. If not, I wouldn't have went long. If it would have bumped here, I would have got rid of it. So let's see what happens. I may get in trouble here. I'm not right all the time, so I'm just going to close this out here so I can talk to you guys so I don't have to be looking at it, okay? Here we go. Come on, get up there, come on. I'll turn it off so I don't have to be staring at it. So the projection was to 66. It was to 66.50, and it went through. So you can see that. Still working its way out. Now it's working its way down. I don't believe it. I think it'll be a retracement. Then I'll see the price go right back up. Price for me would have to go all the way back down to 61 before it changes price. So I can see price going back up. I mean, like a rocket just shooting up. I could see that. So the prediction was something that I use. I mean, I use different patterns. I'll use support, resistance. I'm mainly more of a candle reader. If it's going to break a resistance, if it's going to break a support, man, I got to see an engulfing bar. I got to see a hammer. I got to see an inverted. If the candle's not inverted, and confirmation at support with an engulfing bar, I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to leave it alone. So that's what I look at. That's what I look for. I don't look for anything else but that. No, I think I answered that earlier. We don't use any. No, I think I answered that earlier. I don't use bots. No, I don't use them. No. I don't use them because I don't want you to throw off my style of trading. That's the only reason. No, are you kidding? There's good stuff out there. I mean, there's some software that it's killing it right now. The only problem is that I personally can't use them because it throws my style of trading off. Okay? No. I already have like a system set up with candles, and what I read the candles based on support, resistance. I use Fibonacci's, right? So that's what I use. That's what I use to keep me in check. If not, man, I think I would catch myself in trouble. And if I learn to use a bot, then I wouldn't trust my instincts. So that's why I don't use them. There's good stuff. From what I hear, ChatGPT has a phenomenal system. That's what I heard. But the thing is, look, it's all nowadays. It's all AI. So I don't care where the market is going. If it's going up, if it's going down. You know, like me, I see it going up. I see it way up there. Wow. Here we go. How far can I go up? I'm making a little bit right there. I'm still wrong. I should get out, take a profit. So I'm going to sell 5 right there. I'm going to sell 5 right here. So I'm going to continue to let it ride. I usually take it off so I don't have to see it, and it throws my concentration off as I'm talking. So I'm just going to leave it right there. But like I said, yeah, I don't use them. I have a system set up already, and I've been using it. I've been doing it for 20 years, maybe a little over 20 years. So for me to use this software, I just can't find myself to use the software. Right? Okay. I mean, I can give you one right now. Okay, I'll give you a projection, right? So this is your projection right here. This is your projection. Like I said, I see it going up. So it's calling for 69. But you got a lot of resistance here, So it would have to retrace it. It would have to take, there it is. It matched up with that right there. So 69 would be, does it look straight there? Yeah. Does it look straight? Yeah. So it's calling for 69, but you got to retrace this. There's no way around it. It has to close all. There it is. So your target would be, 69 going up. Can I do this every day with projections? Yeah, you can do it every day. I look at candles. Like I said, I look at candles. Look, hammer, engulfing, hammer. Look, it's selling, right? It's pushing down. There's no reason why I should be selling. This should have went up. To me, this is a perfect place to buy right here. If you ask me, I'd be buying right here. Look, I'm going to buy 5 right there. Let's see what it does right there. I see, look, the market is going to do what it wants to do. There's nothing that we can do that is going to change it. These forums are loaded with traders. If they got their sell limit at 66.50, it's going to sell, But if you're looking at supporting resistance, right? If you're looking at supporting resistance, so let's just say that, let's see where price goes. So let's say it's going to end right there. Like I said, there's no reason this thing should be selling. This should have rocketed up. So let's just see something. Let's just check it out. So, the target is still the same place, Remove. So let me just explain something here real quick. Let me do something. There is no cause for it to go down. The market does whatever it wants. Look at all this weakness. Hammer, engulfing, hammer. And then you get these dojis, these dragons, right? Dragon. Hammer, weakness, hammer, weakness, hammer. It shouldn't be selling, but it's selling. You know what I mean? This should have went up, but it's struggling here and it's selling. So that's the market taking profits. At that point, you can't, you're just at the mercy. So this is why I try to line everything up based on where the market is going. 62.70 was resistance. Where is that? 60. See, to me, there's a bounce here. I see a bounce here, a little bounce here. So it would have to bounce 62. Okay, so watch this. I'm going to make some notations here. So for me to see it up, right now trying to push, right? So for me, I'd see it has to go to 60. It has to go to 64, it looks like, right? But no, volume is down. Volume is selling. Exactly. Yep. You see it too? Yeah, volume is down. So if it was going to push up, it'd be here, right in this area right here. But is pushing down. All right, guys, I'm going to close up the class. Anybody else have any questions? Any questions? Okay. I think I have it posted there. This one here with you guys. Okay, with you guys here, I just give signals. That's all I do. Now, unless you're in our Zoom class, and I give class, but that's something that I don't want to do. I don't want to. Whoever's in my Zoom classes, they're just grandfathered in. I'm going to give them class, but I don't want to give class. Look at this. You got an inverted candle with an engulfing bar. Why is that pushing up? This should be selling here. This should be selling right here. And then you got to push. This should be selling right here. So this is why I tell you on these candles, you got resistance at 56, but the overall is still to the downside. So you're going to 52, it looks like. 52. Yeah, 52. So, to answer that question, I really don't want to get into teaching. I'm trying to get out of teaching. I just want to give signals. Private message me. So, okay, let me ask you this. So, are you a trader? Okay. Trade view. I think I've heard of trade view. Any reason why you're using trade view? Man, I don't know. I just man, with TradeView, you have all those options with TradeView? Okay. Yeah, like I said, I really don't. Okay. I've heard of TradeView, but I don't use TradeView. I've really never taken the time. I hear a lot of good things of it, but I've never taken the time to really learn it. Okay. All right. So you have a platform. So do you have an active account? Cool. Okay. All right. Okay. So how if you don't mind me asking, how long have you been trading? Oh, wow. Okay. So you've been at it for a while. Okay. Over 3 years. Okay. Well, okay. So let me ask you this. What are you trying to gain by being in this class? Okay. 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 What do you think that would help you? Okay. I can help you with. Like I said, I really don't want to get into teaching anymore. No, I rather do signals, give you signals let you see where I get into the trade, where I trade, where's the best place to trade. If it's a 50-50 or if, based on support, resistance, where the market is going. I rather give you those kind of signals. Hmm. Oh, wow. Okay. So there's about 9 of y'all trading in a, okay. Do you all, so there's 9 of you guys in a garage. Okay. So do y'all, all of y'all use TradeView? My chart's going to blink here in a minute. Yep. That's what I thought.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's not like a franchise or anything. I just give you just a signal. You know what I mean? It's just a signal. You see where my charts are? I'm trying to get them up. Huh? What's that? No, no, leave it on. Leave it on. I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave. Okay. Okay, so this is still pushing down, right? This is. Let me see. Real quick, hold on, because I'm just trying to help everybody here. Okay, still gonna push down here. Okay. Okay, so I'm sorry. So there's some of you guys in the trading room. Is that what you were saying? Okay. Man, look, if I can help you out, I'll try to help you. But like I said, I don't want to be doing any teaching. I don't want to, be breaking down how I trade, or I just, that's not what I want to do. I don't know if that makes any sense, but okay. Yeah, like I said, to be honest with you, I just don't want to teach. I don't want to teach anymore. Okay. Well, why don't you send me, let me give it to you right now. It's Sonny, SONNY, Peralez, PERALEZ, 57 at gmail.com. Okay. Oh, man. Okay. Like I said, email me. Let's talk a little bit. And like I said, so so all of you guys, how long y'all been trading? Okay. Okay, so you guys, all right, so y'all been trading over 3 years. You're just looking to get a little help. Okay. I can help you with that. Huh? Oh, okay. Okay. Hold on, guys. I have my tech guy here. All right. So look, I forgot what your name was with a K, right? Kevin? Kevin? Okay. So let's change that email address so that way you won't flood my email. So this way I'll get it directly. It's silverfoxtrader64@gmail.com. silverfoxtrader64 yes, that's it, at gmail.com. Let's use that. That's what our tech guy here is saying. Yeah, I don't think I think that'll be okay. I think that'll be okay. Like I said, I just don't want to go into the teaching and start breaking it down. You know, all I want to do, I want to get to a point where I'm just giving you guys a signal and tell you, okay, this is good. For example, like let's just say here, right? If price comes up here, right? If price comes up here, we already know those are double tops. That's dangerous, right? We already know that. That's a dangerous area. So, look, engulfing bar, hammer, engulfing bar, it retraced, it broke. So, we already know it's going to go through, right? So, we're going to buy a couple here. So, we're going to buy a little bit here. So, all right, 5 more we bought there. So, I'm going to sell 5 here. I'm going to take a little bit of profit here. I'm going to sell 5 more. I'm going to sell 5 more there. There you go. Keep me at 3. Man, I've been doing it long enough. I've been doing it for a while. That's how I was able to see it. So we're going to 67. 67 is it. You're going to sell here at 67. Just watch what happens here. All right. So I'm going to get out of this. I'm going to get out of here. Just take this little profit. Watch what happens here. I mean, if it retraces, it's going to go up, but it got to go through solid. It may even peak and then sell off. Watch. Check it out. Let's see. Okay, there you go. It retraced. So remember, it retraces, hammer, engulfing bar, and then it goes up. Cool. You're good. Next level is 70. No, next level is 72. Yeah, anytime I get to those levels, I'm real careful. I'm real careful with it. So 72, it says it wants to go to 70. It says 72. Fibonacci's, look, there it goes, 72. These are all Fibonacci numbers that I use. There it is, 72 is going to pop right there. Bam. It touched it there. So now you're going to see where the price goes down a little bit. Believe it or not, this is still an up pattern. So if you wanted to get aggressive, I'm just going to show you something real quick. If you were an aggressive trader, you'd be buying right here. Watch. Look what it does. I may take a loss here, but I want to show you something. I just want to show you something real quick. Look, I got it. I got an inverted, so this has to close at top. If not, I'm going to take this. I got to get out of here then. Let's see. Come on, baby, get up there. Get up there. So price comes down because it's inverted, right? I try to get an engulfing bar, so it didn't happen here. So like I said, this style of trading is like super aggressive. You're playing the bounce, right? So price comes up, retraces, you play the bounce. So you're at 187, 250, 250. This is going to go to a 71. Come on, get up there. Give me 71. I'm looking for 71. Here we go. Got a hammer. Push up. So it's going to go to 71.50. 71.50. Here we go. 71.50 right there. And I am out with $312. So think of this, making a couple of trades of 200, 300 a day. So that, Even if this is going to go through, it's going to go through. Here we go. Here we go. It's going to go through. It's going to go through. Next level. Ooh, next level 73, 73.50, 78. So, wow, check this out. But everything's still pushing up. Everything's still pushing up. Everything is still pushing up. And they retrace. Look, you just got a hammer. Let me see what happens here if I go wrong here. Hold on, hold on. Oh, nope, nope, nope. No dice, no dice. No dice, no dice, no dice. I like that setup. I like this hammer. I like this setup on support. Look at that. How nice of you. How nice of you. Okay, so I'm having trouble here. So this is what you do here when you start having trouble there. This is what you do when you start having trouble. 125. 125. This is what you do when you start having trouble there. When it starts rebuttaling there and it starts having problems there. There you go. 250, 250, 250, 250, 250. Come on, go down there, a little bit, little bit. I should have took this 250, right? Not quite yet. Not quite yet. 250, 250. Oh, come on. Golly, I should have pulled the trigger there. 250, 250, coming down, coming down, coming down. Come on, baby. Come on, 250, 250. 250, 250, 128, 187, 250. I'm going to take this here. I'm just going to take this and get out because I got them inverted. I'm going to take this 250 right there. Bam. So that was another 250 play right there. So look, it went even further down. Yeah, whenever I see the market here, having problems here, all this, and I get a higher high, lower high, doubles, tops, doesn't close. So my next camera should have closed solid here. When it comes up, it gives me weakness. I took a sell right here. All right. Anyway, any other questions before I close up? Man, that's up to you guys. That's up to you guys. That's totally up to you guys. Like I said, email me at the Silver Fox. Yeah, that one right there. Email me there. Let's talk a little bit. Like I said, if we can do I mean, sounds like you got something good going there. I mean, you said you had 9 traders in your garage? But you want to be consistent. Yeah. It was tough for me in the beginning too, being consistent. So I know what you're talking about. And the thing is that even AI, I still don't trust it. You said you were using AI and you're using AI and you're still looking for something else. So I know what it's all about, man. And like I said, think about it. If you can make $500 a day, it's 25. That's 10 grand a month. Man, who does 10 grand a month, bro? You know what I mean? All right, this is up. This is to the moon. Let's see. What can I make out of this? I don't see any hesitations to 77, so I'm just going to make $100 here. $100, 250, 300, 300, 400. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, man. I don't see any hesitations to the upside, so that's why I called it to the upside. I don't see any hesitations. Oh, man, this should have went up. All right, I'm going to take it off because I hate to be looking at it while I'm talking. So here we go. And it may go down, may go down. Okay, so get a hold of me. We'll talk a little bit. Let me know what's going on. Wow, got more traders on there. Okay, so if anybody has any questions before I close this, let me know. a little over 20 years, but I'm super, super old school. You're like really, really old school. All I trade is in candles, support, resistance. I know there's a lot of new systems out there. I'm using maybe 4 different systems. The systems that I use are set back in the 50s, the 70s. I still use them today, because what worked yesterday may not work today, and what works today may not work tomorrow. So I'm always tweaking it. I'm always looking to find areas where I can improve, right? So one thing about trading is, I know one thing for sure about trading is you're never going to learn it 100%. You're always going to be at the mercy of the market. But if we can learn these patterns, watch where the market is going, look at the market behavior, look at support, look at resistance, read our candles, look at, lower lowers, higher highs, lower lowers, higher highs, look on retracements, look for pushes. I mean, you're going to make money. There's no other way around it. And also a lot has to do is money management, 3%, 5% of your money, and not trying to make a home run. That's the biggest thing that I see. Everybody's trying to make a home run. Everybody's, man, I can't say it enough, man. Everybody, they're trying to load up and try to get 8 to 10 points. It's not going to happen, man. Look for these trades where you can get in the direction where the market is going. Even if it's trend, I mean, you want to find the trend, right? And get in there and trade, Stop trying to chase the market, I get in trouble too because I see something and I'm like, oh, here we go. But I also got to remember that the market is going to do what it wants to do. There's nothing in the market that I can do to change the market. My job is to look for the trend, look where the market is going, what it's trying to do, and use the best judgment with education, right, with knowledge, and know where the market wants to go. And like I said, it does whatever it wants to do. The market is going to do whatever it wants to do. Our job is to find out what direction it wants to go in, where it wants to go. Okay, guys, so if there's not any more questions, I'm going to let you guys go on the social media side. If you guys need any help, let me know. Okay. All right, guys, we'll be here tomorrow. Tomorrow will be Thursday. See you guys in the morning. All right, you can go ahead and turn them off.